How to log into FastBull account. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be signing in to your existing FastBull account. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, open a web browser and type in fastbull.com in the URL box and search. Once you're inside the home page of FastBull, make sure that you click on your profile icon at the top left corner or this avatar option over here and click on Login from the pop-up. Now, in order to log into your existing FastBull account, select the method that you previously chose. You can enter your phone number and password to log in. But if you've previously chosen the email option to sign up, enter your email address and then your password. Make sure that you type in your correct password. You can double check your password by clicking the eye icon right on the right corner. If you've forgotten your password for FastBull, you can reset it by clicking the Forgot Password link at the bottom of the screen and follow through the instructions. Finally, click Login to log into your FastBull account. And there you go. You have successfully logged into your existing fastbull.com account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.